Gimme. Hello. Hello, crazy people. What are you doing? Clara.
Now you took a video of it.
I am taking a video of you girls.
I'm going to tickle your baby when it is baby down. Now stop. You're hungry. But Papa's boss is a single quill. We got Brian Butt here. But we don't have any socks on.
What are you doing, Clara? Taking off her socks because you said no. Let's leave yours on. Leave your socks on.
No.
Yeah, thank you. Those are Mimi's socks anyway. Thank you. Can I have the other one?
Socks?
Well, they stay here at Mimi's house.
Why?
So that every time we come here, she has socks for her nap, just in case. Thank you.
And